Hey there, kids. This is Reveal Math Lesson 5.5. Let's take a look together. Okay, so here's the lesson. It says this. It says use a table to find a later term in a pattern. Okay, well, here's the directions. It says starting with 4, add 6. What is the ninth term in the pattern? Okay, well, if we look at this, this is the first order in the pattern. It's the very first thing they want you to do. And it so happens that they also put that number right here each time. So the pattern is take whatever order number it is, subtract 1 right there, then multiply that by 6, and then add 4. Now, something that they never told you about before is that you have to do multiplication and division before you do addition and subtraction. So in this case right here, we're working left to right. You always want to do what's in the parentheses first, then do the multiplication, then add or division, and then add or subtract. In this case, we could just go left to right and it works. So let's do this one. 1 take away 1, how much is that? Right, that's 0. Now multiply that by 6. What do you get? Well, 0 times 6 is 0. Then add 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay, so that's the pattern for this right here. Now in the second order in the pattern, the second one, they use a 2 right here. Okay, so we do the same thing again. What's in the parentheses gets done first. You could just go left to right in this case though. But 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, times 6. Well, 1 times 6 is 6. And then you want to add 4. So that gave you 10. All right, so that was the second one in the pattern. Okay, the third one in the pattern, well, they put a 3 there, so there's a 3 right there, okay? And 3 take away 1 is 2, okay? That's 2. Times 6, that's 12, plus 4, that's 16. 12 plus 4 is 16. Now, you could keep going and find out what the fourth one is, the fifth one, or whatever, but we can just jump on down to the ninth one now that we understand the pattern. So 9, the ninth one starts with a 9. 9 take away 1 is 8. Okay. 8 times 6 is 48. Add 4 and you get 52. 48 plus 4 is 52. So the ninth term of the pattern is 52. Kids, today in class we're learning how to generate patterns and rules. Okay, so let's take a look at some other ones that they give you right here. So here's another example. It says this. It says write or draw the first 5 terms of each pattern. Okay, well, they say starting with 12, add 7. Okay, well, so some books, it depends on the books, say that since this is the starting term is 12, that counts as 1. So that's the first one. We have to do 5 of these, right? So we start with 12, and that's term number 1. All right, then they want us to add 7. Well, 12 plus 7 is 19. So that's our second one right there. Then they want us to add 7. So that's going to be 26. Okay, 19 plus 7 is 26. We've got 3 of them so far. All right, then we want to add 7 again. 26 plus 7 is 33. Okay, and then they want you to add 7 again. We've got 4 of them. We've got to do one more. Okay, 33 plus 7 is 40. Okay, so there it is. That's the first 5 terms for this pattern. Here's another one right here, starting with 20, subtract 3. Okay, so we start with 20, go down 3, that's 17. Go down 3, that's 14. Subtract 3, that's 11. Subtract 3, and that's 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Here's one that's a little bit different right here. This one's, it says 1 A, B, 2 C's repeating. So I think they're talking about this. I say A, B. We do that once. Then 2 C's, C, C. Okay? Then it's going to be A, B, C, C. Okay? And it just repeats over and over again. They want you to do it 5 times. A, B, C, C. That's 3 times, and you can keep going right there. Okay, it says that it's a repeating pattern right here. It just keeps repeating over and over again. Kids, you're learning how to generate patterns and rules. Let's take a look at the next one here. It says, what is the 10th term of each pattern? Okay, they want the 10th one right here. Well, they've already given you the first 4, right? We do count these, okay? It doesn't say what is the next 10, but it says what is the 10th. So here's the first. Here's the second, here's the third, here's the fourth. Well, obviously, you know, what are they doing here? They're trying to get from here to here. What did they do to do that? Right, they added 5. And then you add 5, and then you add 5. Okay, so we're already at the fourth one, okay? It goes 50, 55, 60, 65. Then we have 70, 75, okay? 80, 85. 90, 95. Okay, we got 6 down here, we got 4 up here. And so what is the 10th term? The 10th term right here is 95. Okay, kids, right now you're learning how to generate patterns and rules. All right, it says, once again, this one right here says, what is the first 5 terms of the pattern? Write or draw them. I don't know. This one is just like the one we did before about subtracting 4. You start at 40, take away 4, take away 4, take away 4, and you're looking for the first 5 terms. This one right here, you could do, you could draw it, okay? You could draw 2 circles in a square, then 2 circles in a square, 2 circles in a square, okay? And you want to do that 5 times, okay? And matter of fact, it actually, another way that it could be interpreted, I'm not sure, I'd have to look, but it could be like 2 circles and a square. They might count that as 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Then 2 circles, and this might be, the first 5 terms would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ask your teacher what they're looking for, and you can see. Kids, you're learning how to generate patterns and rules. Well, today in class, we're looking at pages 151 and 152, and then we're going to do in your workbook, and then we're going to do practice pages 43 and 44, and you're going to learn how to generate patterns and rules, okay? Well, on the Friday quiz this week, it says, what are the first 5 terms of the pattern before, of the pattern, write or draw them. So it says this, starting with 14 dots in a row, subtract 2 dots from each row, okay? So you want the first 5 terms. Okay, well in this case right here, in the first row we have 14 dots, okay? In the next row we're going to have 2 less than that. We're going to subtract 2, so we're going to have 12. In the next row we're going to subtract 2, so we're going to have 10. Okay, now I only did 3 right here, and they wanted the first 5, so I'm going to let you continue to figure that out. The second one here says starting with 3, add 6. Well, you start with 3. Okay, that's the first term. Then you add 6, you get 9, right? Then you have to add 6 and add 6 and add 6. So I gave you 2 of them right here. They wanted 5 of them though, so you got to fill in that one, and that one. Kids, right now you're learning how to generate patterns and rules. Okay, go ahead and give that a try. If you need help, let us know. I think you can do it. All right, talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.